Hey guys, welcome back. Dutch is back too. Thank you for watching this video. 2 thumbs up. Good. Today we got this Nemef NF4. And I'm working, I have those for a long time. I got 2 of those. But this will first one. Got some troubles to get it in the false set, especially with these last and with the top pin. Every time I try to pick the top pin, that's okay, but as soon I want to go here, I can reach it. And what first I did was lesser tension and try to pick it very softly, small taps, but I don't know, it still overset every time, or I got it set and then the top pin was blocking me, so I needed to release tensioning and then they drop back, or I just touch this every time a little bit too hard, but I couldn't feel it. And every time I said something, the pin just dropping back, so it was very annoying. But I just found out after seeing videos of you guys who picked it. I heard you mentioning that you did put hard tensioning in the beginning before you get a false set or get something binding, and it was true, but I didn't know it was so much tensioning. So before I tried with the hug ones, because they're a little bit thicker and you get a little bit more power on the handling, and after some try I found out it was number I thought it was another one, maybe this one, yes, the biggest flag. This is number 3. And I think there was this tensioner, this thick one. Maybe it was rubbing the sideway. So that's why I use a thinner one. So for in the beginning, you need to be very rough. I put a lot of tensioning, just for the back side, because they're don't need to have picked very much. This is only by tensioning, but this is a little bit hard if you put a lot of tensioning, but you will feel it after some picking. I had to first click on 4, I think. Now I'm trying to get the top in. I don't know why my light is off. Got a little movement on the core, got a click on the top pin. Maybe it's an overset. You never know. Got something on pin number 1. It's a spool, I think. No, I think it is a spool. A little counter rotation. I think it's set. I think I already offset it. Good click. Maybe we have it already. Got a nice false set after picking the last top pin. Let's see, we can give some counter rotation on 1. Yes, we got some counter rotation on 1. I think a little extra. Not open. Got my false set back by touching pin number 1. Okay, let's see which one we need to pick. I had to touch number 3 and 4 a little bit. Finally I can show it. I can do it faster, but I just want to get some explanation for you guys. So this cursed NF4 is picked on video. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something. If you have some questions, please ask in the comments. If you like it, leave something in the comment. And if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe. I will try to make some more videos in the future, because I had some things to do for school, for my work. I had some education, and I passed. I got my diploma and certificates, and yeah, maybe we can do the other NF4. This one has some disgusting biting on the last. Don't know if I can find the key here so fast. My kid was jumping on the table here. Everything was on the floor. Sweet child. Doesn't matter, it's my kid. So guys, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.